Developing tonight, the whistleblower claiming Governor Jared Polis violated state privacy laws and state immigration laws took the stand for the first time today. They claim the governor ordered employees to hand over personal information about Coloradans who sponsored and agreed to care for undocumented children. Denver 7's Danielle Kreutter was in the courtroom today.
Danielle, the issue here is, was it against state law for the governor to ask for that or not?
Yeah, Micah, and according to the whistleblower, Governor Polis himself signed the law to prohibit this exact thing, with a few exceptions, like if the feds have a court-ordered subpoena or if they're conducting a criminal investigation. However, attorneys for the governor claim that it was clear that the subpoena could have been used for criminal investigations. That whistleblower, Scott Moss, works for the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment. He says important complaints about violations at workplaces and witnesses who are immigrants have skyrocketed recently. He attributes part of that to promises state employees have made to immigrants that they would not share personal information with federal immigration officials. According to the lawsuit, the subpoena from ICE requested information for people providing homes to unaccompanied minors. Moss argues the subpoena was administrative, part of the civil immigration process, and Colorado's own law prohibits sharing that information. A spokesperson for the governor's office released a statement prior to these court hearings saying, quote, helping federal law enforcement partners locate and, if necessary, rescue children being abused and trafficked is not only in line with the law, but also a moral imperative. We expect the courts will agree. Now, on the stand earlier this afternoon was one of the lawmakers who is a co-sponsor of the bill that Governor Polis eventually signed, which limit how much information the state could share with federal officials. During his cross-examination, attorneys for the governor point out that even crossing the border illegally is a criminal act. They also say that this new law was never supposed to interfere with ICE investigations. Now, it will be up to a judge to determine if those state employees do need to follow that subpoena or not. Those arguments are expected to wrap up this week, and of course, we will keep you updated. For now, reporting live in Denver, I'm Danielle Kreutter, Denver 7.
Danielle, thank you. And we do want to clarify, Governor Jared Polis himself is not in the courtroom. He's actually out of town at the Western Governors Association summer meeting in Santa Fe. He does have representatives in court.